When Samsung announced the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, anticipation was at an all-time high. But the excitement quickly turned into confusion as the company froze global shipments before a single pair officially hit shelves, halting pre-orders and leaving eager buyers wondering what went wrong. Priced at $250, these flagship earbuds promise cutting-edge features like active noise cancellation, 24-bit audio, and Galaxy AI enhancements. But reports started surfacing that suggested the reality might not match the hype. Users from the US, UK, Germany, and other markets experienced delayed shipments, and early impressions highlighted several inconsistencies in build quality, including tearing silicone ear tips, uneven seams, mismatched blade lights, and even dye stains on the casing. Independent testing revealed the ANC delivered only about 76% noise reduction, which falls short of expectations, especially compared to the previous generation, leaving many to question whether the premium price is justified. On top of that, while Galaxy AI features and 24-bit audio work seamlessly inside Samsung's ecosystem, compatibility outside it is limited, meaning non-Samsung users may not get the full experience. Online forums also show repeated complaints about hissing sounds, high-pitched noise during ANC use, and call distortions that can interfere with daily use, making the earbuds a mixed bag for potential buyers. Sound quality, comfort, and connectivity are generally adequate, but minor issues combined with high expectations create a sense of uneven performance. And whether these earbuds are worth $250 really depends on how much value you place on Samsung exclusive features versus more universally reliable options. Overall, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro delivers some impressive tech, but the launch issues, build inconsistencies, and limited ANC performance make it difficult to say definitively that these earbuds are a must-buy or a complete miss, leaving the decision in your hands as a user who wants flagship features without surprises.